morning, dear students. Look very carefully here. Now already you studied the values of 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree and 0 and 95 and 90 degree also. Now it is sine square 30. You studied the value of sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine square means 1 by 2 also. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. That's also also. It's clear. And sec 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sec 45 is root 2. Sec is the reciprocal, of course. You remember that. And tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1. So your answer is 1 square. So if you know the value, substitute very clear. 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Root 3 square 3, 2 square 4. 1 square 1, 2 square 4. Is it clear? Root 2 square 2, 1 square 1. Is it clear? So 1 plus 3 equal to 4 by 4. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 4 by 4 is already 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, the last answer equal to 4. Is it clear? Okay. Next. Cosec square 45 minus tan square 45 plus cos square 30. Are you ready? Write the question slowly. Cosec 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root. So cosec 45 is root. Tan 45 is 1. So tan square 45 is 1 square. Is it clear? Cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Square means, is it completed? Root 2 square 2 minus 1 square 1 plus root 3 square 3, 2 square 4. Is it clear? So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 3 by 4. Now it's a mixed fraction. So 4 into 1, 4 plus 3. That is 7 by 4. Otherwise you write 1, 3 by 4. That's also correct. In a match or a number and the fraction, multiply the denominator into number, then add the numerator. 4 into 1, 4 plus and 7 by 4. Is it completed? That's also remember the question is evaluate. Once again, one more problem. Cosec square 30 plus sec square 60 plus sin square 60 plus cos square 40. Are you ready? If you know the values, it's very easy. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cosec 30 is 2. So square means 2 square square. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, sec 60 is 2 by 1. So answer is 2 square. Plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2, square means whole square. Sin 30 is reciprocal ആണ് cos 30. Cos 60 is reciprocal. Sin 60, cos 60 it's very easy. Is it all? And cos 45 is 1 by root 2. That's also whole square. Are you ready? Then 2 square 4. Again 2 square 4. Root 3 square 3. Root 2 square 4. And it is 1 square 1. Root 2 square 2. Is it completed? So that step is also over. And 4 plus 4 8 plus better, the denominators are different. So make the denominators same. Otherwise, you just know this method, then also. 2 into 3, 6. 4 into 1, 4 divided by 4 into 8. That is 6 plus 4, 10 divided by 8. That is 10 divided by 8 is equal to 5 by 4. Is it over? You know this method. Otherwise, you make the denominator same means take LCM for then also you get the same answer. That's comparatively easy. Is it completed? Like this. Over. Now it's a mixed fraction. So 8 into 4 equal to 32 plus 5. 37 divided by 4. Okay. Make it a mixed fraction is 9 and 1 by 4. So otherwise you write 37 by 4. That's enough. Is it over? And I will give you home assignment of this. I think it is clear this. Now remember, you substitute the values very clearly. Okay? ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് എക്സസൈസ് നമുക്ക് വേണ്ട, കുറേ ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത പോർഷൻ ഒരുപാട് ഡിലീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പോയിട്ട്, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ട പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഞാൻ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് തരാം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, ഓൾ ദി ബെസ്റ്റ്.